ultimate tutorial on how to apply press-on nails. Select the correct size of the press-on nails. Each nail comes with tiny number on the back, and that will determine what size you are looking at. For example, the nail I am holding says it is a size 3. So if I want something much smaller, maybe I will try a size 4 or 5. Let's look at the size 5 next to size 4. You can see there are really minor differences in sizes, but of course that's exactly what we need. Using numbers, you can match one hand with the other very easily. The number side of the nail is the top of the nail, should always face outward, not toward you. For almond and coffin nail shapes, it is very easy to identify which side of press-on nails faces outward. However, for some short nail shapes like this, it is hard to guess which side is the top, so we need to check the number on the back. Each nail kit comes with everything you need for the application. The instruction card tells you how to apply and remove the press-on nails. Trim your nails first. Push down your cuticles with the wooden stick and then use a file to buff your nails. Clean your nails by using alcohol pad. Remove the transparent film of the super sticky tab. Select the correct size of the sticky tabs and stick it onto your natural nails. Press down firmly to avoid any air bubble. And girls, attention here! There is a secret tip on how to make press-on nails last longer. Use your hair dryer on a low heat setting to heat up the sticky tabs. This will soften the glue for application and it will harden after the nails are applied, providing a longer lasting hold. Trust me, it works. And then find a little tab at top of the super sticky tab and pull it off. Align nail to your cuticle line and apply at 45-degree downward angle and push back into your cuticles before pushing down onto your nail. This will give you the most natural look, so it looks like the press-on nails are flush with your cuticles instead of just sitting on your nails. Press down the nails firmly for about 20 seconds to avoid any air bubble. And that's how you make your press-on nails last longer and hold stronger with sticky tabs. Follow for more nail designs and see you next time.